Welcome to Arcade's January product updates. We're excited to share the latest features and improvements designed to enhance your interactive demos. Let's dive in. Arcades perform better and are more engaging with music. That's why we've added a built-in music library, letting you select background tracks directly within Arcade. This makes enhancing your demos easier, without the need to search for external royalty-free music. Arcade now supports Markdown. That means you can easily add links, make text bold or italic to highlight key points, all without complicated formatting tools. Just type a few special characters, and Arcade will handle the rest, making your descriptions and chapter titles more engaging and easier to read. Collaboration just got simpler. You can now grab a link to share entire folders with your team, streamlining access to grouped arcades and ensuring everyone stays on the same page. Capture screenshots instantly with our new keyboard shortcut. Add images to your arcades without interrupting your recording flow or switching between tools. The Embed Modal is now responsive, ensuring that your embedded arcades look great on any device. This improvement enhances the viewing experience across various screen sizes. For enhanced security, Arcade has enforced single sign-on authentication for domains. This means a more streamlined and secure login experience for users within your organization. Ready to try them out? Head over to arcade.software and bring your demos to life today.